Good morning. I hope everybody is well. I thought I'd do a slightly different video today and show you a little bit around the house so you can see what's new and how I'm getting on with kind of like trying to furnish this place. As you know, I moved here a couple of months ago. There was no furniture in here, so I'm desperately trying to put some furniture in and put my stamp on it a little bit. It is a rental property, so I can't go too crazy and I can't change too much, unfortunately, but I'm trying my best. And I must admit, I don't know how interior designers do it. Some parts have been okay and some parts have been a nightmare. So yeah, so I thought I'd give you a quick update as to what's new in some rooms and just show you around a bit. I'm going to start in the living room, and this is currently what the living room looks like at the moment. So I don't know if you remember the sofas that I was looking at Sofology a few months back, and we ended up getting the cricket sofa in the lavish teal. So we've got a two-seater on that side and we have a two-seater on this side, and I really love the color of this sofa. It's not something I would normally have gone for, but it's such a beautiful they say it's teal, but to be honest it's more like a, I don't know, I suppose it's like a navy, a beautiful navy colour, and it's just so nice. It just looks so lovely and so stylish, and it's comfortable. That was the other thing as well. Some of these sofas aren't the best and they're not that deep, whereas this one is quite deep. So love these sofas. I think these are great, and we also got the footstool as well, which were kind of just placed on this wall. So this room is quite small. Let me come out a little bit more so you can see again. So this room is quite small, so we struggled a little bit with how to design it, where to put things, but we've gone with a kind of square configuration here. Doesn't work with the fireplace at all. I know it's really offset from the fireplace here, but to be honest, nothing I can do about it. Don't like that fireplace at all, but there's nothing I can do about it unless you have any bright ideas. So please let me know if you do. And then back to the sofas. So I got these cushions here. These are from HomeSense. So these are slightly kind of like light blue and silver cushions. I've just got like cushion pad there, just trying to figure out whether to go for white or cream on the back there. So I've gone for white over there. I've gone for a creamy color over here. These aren't going to be the real cushions, but I'm just testing the colors out. So I think I'll end up with a cream second cushion. And then this coffee table in the middle here, I saw this on Lydia Millen's channel and absolutely loved it. I thought that is perfect size for this room. So I picked up this coffee table from Wayfair, I think it was, and just got some books on there. I'm still designing the table at the moment, so ignore the actual kind of like style of the table, but I'm still gonna style that up. But at the moment I've got like the traditional, you know, the Chanel book and the Tom Ford book, which, gosh, this is so big and heavy, but it's amazing. But yeah, so square coffee table in the middle. Still figuring out what to do over here. This is just some coffee side tables that I had from before. There's actually another one inside there, and I'm using it to prop the sky on until I figure out whether to go for a TV unit or whether to go for two sideboards, one there and one over there. So I'm still trying to figure that out. My biggest dilemma at the moment has been these curtains. So these red curtains are from the house originally. Hello Maxie. Got a little guest with me at the moment, but I think he's leaving shortly. Anyway, so these dark red curtains were from the original owners, so they're part of the house here. I have bought so many options of curtains to go in this room, and I really still can't figure it out. I think it needs a strong colour. I've tried beige, I've tried a greyish colour, bluish colours, but they're just too pale. They blend in too much. I really want the room to have you know, I think it really needs like this kind of colour, this strong pink or something going on, which could be accented on the sofa and around the room. Doesn't have to be the curtains, but I am struggling with curtain colour to work with this room. So yeah, let me know if you have any ideas as to what to do there. But basically that's this room at the moment. Yeah, missing curtains and things there, but yeah, that's how far I've got with this room at the moment. Then as we go into the kitchen dining area, so I've got a really nice size kitchen which overlooks a nice size garden out there with decking, so need to sort that out soon because hopefully we'll get some good weather soon. But yeah, a really nice size kitchen. If I come back a little bit here, you might be able to see it a little bit better. So we've got utility over there, kitchen here, and then this is like the best part really. This is the dining area, the extension, and what we've done here is gone for a square table that seats 8. I really love this table. It is fantastic. I've got my TK Maxx chairs here. They were a real find. Absolutely love these. They're so comfortable, such good value for money. So I bought 10 of them. You can see there's one in the corner there that I had in the office, and there's one in another room. So we've got 10 of these wonderful chairs, and I just have to say that I put up every single blind in this house. So they're just like the regular cheap blind, to be honest. They're not the best blinds just because it's rental. If we owned it, I would definitely have gone more for the solid wood with the bigger slats, but for now they will do because it's a rental. But I put up all these blinds, so I am super proud of myself. These curtains were already here, so they belong to the landlord. And then we put in these radiator covers, really long ones, to use those as kind of like displaying some of our goodies, like these ones from South Africa. And we got this artwork up that was originally in London. And I absolutely love this bench here from John Lewis. Now, this is the colour that I'm hoping to stick to. So I've got these cushions from Home Sense again, and they just give such a good pop of colour. I do like the yellow, but the green goes better with the pictures. So I'm trying to find another green. It's an absolute nightmare with Home Sense trying to find stuff. But trying to find another green. But this bench is so cool. This is from John Lewis, and it's such a nice bench. So yeah, now we have garden chairs in here. That was what we were using before we had the other dining table. So these obviously will go outside. And I'm thinking here to put like a sofa and a little table here. So this is like the casual part. So as you're cooking here, then you've got, you know, your guests can just sit in comfort here and then go to the table to eat. And then over here, actually, I need like either a sideboard or display unit or something going on over here. So I'm still trying to figure that out. But in general, that's this space. And yeah, I really like it. I think it is an amazing, amazing space. That's the kitchen from the other side. So that's the kitchen area here. And yeah, really, really lovely space. And let me show you my office. So this is my office at the moment. And it's a small, very small space, but it's big enough for me. And this unit is amazing. I wasn't quite sure. When I ordered it, I wasn't sure, is it blue, is it green? And it's kind of like really in between the two. And I kind of did want a kind of tealish, bluish unit. And I think it kind of works. So that's from 9 Schools. And yeah, I think it's something a little bit different. So I am pleased with that. 2 lamps up here from Home Sense. And my books and everything. You have to excuse the cards. My mum's birthday. Oh, and the book. yeah, I can't wait to read this. I don't know if anybody's read it, let me know. But yeah, back to the room. I am really pleased with this find. Again, HomeSense. So yeah, I am. I think this works really well and ties in the other bits and pieces. So that's from HomeSense. And then I've just got up these grids on there at the moment from Urban Outfitters. Now, I bought 2 of these chairs from myfurniture.com and they are great. They are really, really comfortable. And this desk is from Natalie. So yeah, I've got my computer there still. I've just kind of put up a few drapes there just to keep the flow of the light. So at the moment, that's what my office space looks like at the moment. Needs some finishing off. I need light, and the camera normally goes in there, but I'm filming today in the corner. But yeah, needs a bit of finishing off, but that's what it looks like at the moment. So that is it for my little update. I think last time you saw it, there was barely anything in here. So I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay, I'm getting there. It's a bit frustrating because it's taking longer than I would like, because I'm still trying to figure out things and I end up in the same stores like 50 million times buying different things for different rooms. So it's not very time management is not great on this, but it feels like home. I'm so comfortable here, love being here. Neighbours are lovely. It's so quiet and I really like it. So yeah, we have to see how long we stay though, because you know it's a rental, it's on a contract, and yeah, I just don't know. But at least we've got some really great furniture so far that if we do need to go, then we don't need to rebuy everything again. So yeah, anyway, so that's where I'm at the moment. So I'll keep you updated as I go with how the rooms are going, and any suggestions of anything like curtain ideas or anything like that, let me know. I could do with the help. But yeah, anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have enjoyed this little tour, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.